Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about Cauchy-Reimann equations. So now I will show you the technique. We have f of z is equal to 1 over z. So in this situation, we can change about z into s plus I y. So we got about 1 over s plus I y. So we can put about s minus I y because we multiply both sides with s minus I y on numerator and denominator. So we got about s minus I y. And we got about s squared plus y squared. And now we need to separate them in here. So we got about u, that's about s over s squared plus y squared. V, that's about negative y over s squared plus y squared. Now we need to do differentiation about s for the function of u. You will got about s squared plus y squared. We got about s squared plus y squared minus 2s squared. So we got about negative s squared plus y squared. We have power 2 in here. Then we do first the derivative of u with respect of y. So we got about negative 2y s similar for v. So you got about positive 2sy. Now we go vy. So we got about y will go first. You got about negative number 1 multiply with s squared plus y squared minus because we have negative in here, you got about positive. So we got about 2y squared. So we simplify you got about y squared minus x squared over this one. So according to Cauchy-Reimann, we have us equal to vy and uy equal to negative vs. So if we look carefully, this one is equal to this one, and this one is equal to this one. So we can say that they are satisfied. This is the formula to compare after we do differentiation of u and v with respect of x and y. So we can say they can differentiation. So we have d over dz of 1 over z equals to us plus I vs. So we can put the value of this one and this one. That's the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question.